Hello, hello. How is everyone doing today? My name is Sots, Sound of the Street, Sots. You probably heard of me. So this is one of my new songs. This song is called Cycle. It's a single. So you can actually buy this song, right? This song costs only $8 and money order. You make the money order out to Quentin Elliott. My name right there on the screen. Quenton Elliott. And you send it to me, Quentin Elliott, the money order, your name, your address, your city, your state, and your zip code. You send that to me, Quentin Elliott, P.O. Box 23646, Trenton, New Jersey 08607. And then after I receive that, the $8 in money order and your information, I'll send this CD right here to you, Cycle, and then you'll have the single Cycle. So this is original music. All sounds here was created and made by Sots, Sound of the Street. And what you'll get is everything that's on here. The first thing, this is a preview of everything that's on the CD. The sound quality is top notch. And so the first thing that'll come up is the song Cycle. Then the next thing that'll come up, the second thing, is the Cycle instrumental, because I know a lot of people like my beats and stuff. So the second thing is the Cycle instrumental. And then the third thing is the Cycle acapella, because there's a lot of DJs out there and stuff like that. So you can use the acapella to mix with and stuff. So that's all the information. So go ahead, listen to the video, and keep listening, because the music is definitely going to play. The music is definitely going to play. So go ahead, keep listening. And I got plenty more songs that they'll be right here on this channel here on youtube.com. And what you'll do, anytime you come to youtube.com, you'll just enter these words, Sots, Sound of the Street, and then after that, all my songs will come up. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in. And I have some wonderful songs. If you don't like this song, I got even more songs. Okay, and you bound to find a song that you like. Okay, so thank you so much for your time. Sots.
Yeah, Sots. All my niggas working hard to get what we want. We got shit for sale, use a front. Can't claim this bullshit when you're not involved. You don't want real problems like cut off balls. My niggas stand tall, uninjured and rich. I told your ass before, there's no touching this. What your friends said, what don't you get? Can't be acting like a pimp with only one bitch. Sots is like shit committed front page crimes. The only thing you doing is telling police about mines. The prosecutors can't speak no fucking case. They see that you hating whole fucking race. The difference with us, we always move in advance. My dick so big, your bitch grabbing my pants. Use a dummy, one thing bitches know. If it's not going my way, then I'm stopping that show. A goddamn joke is what you is. Can't even feed your kids, yet talk like you rich. Business pumping already, fulfill my dreams. 10,000 not the highest that I see. All my shit mine, even yours is mine. But I don't even want it, cause I'm still on the grind. My shit don't stop, act it out and you pop. Ain't no higher help than mine, cause that's the top. Years done past and you still fucked in the game. Years done past, my product's stronger than cocaine. Meanwhile, each bitch steady watching your flaws. You ready to tell cops, but I'm actually above the law. And don't commit crime, that bitch not mine. She wishing for the master, but he don't got time. All my niggas automatic, see nothing wrong at all. What force your broke limb to a brick wall? You need a Lamborghini and I got it for sale, but you can't talk to me when you short on costs. Where the boss? Where is the bitches? Where the money? What's the most you ever seen? I'm a dream that you'll never ever reach. You never know what you talking. Shut up, don't preach. I seen seen bums like you for the last 20 years. It's hard to go against the boss, my enemies living in fear. Make the payment so you toe head lead. You dumb to speak the bitches once again who we. Broke, miserable, sad, poor, all day, all week. Broke, miserable, sad, poor. Yeah. Sots. All my niggas working hard to get what we want. We got shit for sale. Use a front. Can't claim this bullshit when you not involved. You don't want real problems like cut off balls. My niggas stand tall, uninjured and rich. I told your ass before, there's no touching this. What your friend said, what don't you get? Can't be acting like a pimp with only one bitch. Sots to slice your dope, committed front page crimes. The only thing you doing is telling police about mines. Them prosecutors can't speak no fucking case. They see that you hating whole fucking race. The difference with us, we always moving in advance. My dick so big, your bitch grabbing my pants. Use a dummy. One thing bitches know, if it's not going my way, then I'm stopping that show. A goddamn joke is what you is. Can't even feed your kids, yet talk like you rich. Business pumping already, fulfilled my dreams. 10,000 out the highest that I seen. All my shit mine, even yours is mine. But I don't even want it, cause I'm still on the grind. My shit don't stop, act it out and you pop. Ain't no higher help than mine, cause that's the top. Years done past and you still fucked in the game. Years done past, my product stronger than cocaine. Meanwhile, each bitch steady watching your flaws. You ready to tell cops, but I'm actually above the law. And don't commit crime, that bitch not mine. She wishing for the master, but he don't got time. All my niggas automatic, see nothing wrong at all. Will force your broke limit to a brick wall. You need a Lamborghini and I got it for sale, but you can't talk to me when you short on costs. Where's the boss? Where is the bitches? Where the money? What's the most you ever seen? I'm a dream that you'll never ever reach. You never know what you talking. Shut up, don't preach. I seen bums like you for the last 20 years. It's hard to go against the boss, my enemies living in fear. Make the payment so you told had leaked. You dumb to speak the bitches once again who weak. Broke, miserable, sad, poor, all day, all week. Broke, miserable, sad, poor, all day, all week. Add it up, Sots is the boss. So don't tell your story to bitches you absolutely caught. I told your bitch, ain't no going past the top. I'm rich and happy, you broke and bout to drop. Call the cops, but now you can't come outside. My niggas would take your life, your money and your ride. Show's over, and close and get the dough. How many years past, streets already know. Stop hating before I unload. Real shots to your head, yeah, and shots to your toes. Sots. All my niggas working hard to get what we want. We got shit for sale, use the front. Can't claim this bullshit when you not involved. You don't want real problems like cut off balls. My niggas stand tall, uninjured and rich. I told your ass before, there's no touching this. What your friend said, what don't you get? Can't be acting like a pimp with only one bitch. Sots society don't committed front page crimes. The only thing you doing is telling police about mines. Them prosecutors can't speak no fucking case. They see that you hating whole fucking race. The difference with us, we always moving in advance. My dick so big, your bitch grabbing my pants. Use a dummy. One thing bitches know, if it's not going my way, then I'm stopping that show. A goddamn joke is what you is. Can't even feed your kids, yet talk like you rich. Business pumping already fulfilled my dreams. 10,000 out the highest that I seen. All my shit mine, even yours is mine. And I don't even want it, cause I'm still on the grind. My shit don't stop, act it out and you pop. Ain't no higher help than mine, cause that's the top. Years done past and you still fucked in the game. Years done past, my product stronger than cocaine. Meanwhile, each bitch steady watching your flaws. You ready to tell cops, but I'm actually above the law. And don't commit crime, that bitch not mine. She wishing for the master, but he don't got time.